usiyeshindwa, usiyeshindwa, usiyeshindwa. Wewe ni Mungu usiyeshindwa. nimekutambua kama Mungu asiyeshindwa. Nimekuona ukiwa mshindi juu ya maisha yangu. It is not just a song to some of us. It is a testimony that we serve a God that cannot be defeated. It is a testimony that we serve a God who has not allowed a defeat to be part of our lives, who has not allowed defeat to be part of our stories, who has not allowed defeat to be part of the stories of our families, who has not allowed defeat to be part of what people can say when they look at us. He has given us a crown of victory. He has given us a crown of victory. For the people who have been given a crown of victory, come on, praise the living God. I carry a crown of victory against the sickness. I carry a crown of victory against depression. I carry a crown of victory upon every single calamity. He has given me a crown of victory. Whenever I felt like I'm going to be defeated, He has given me a crown of victory. I have a crown of victory. Nimepewa ushindi ulio ndani yangu, mengine hata siwezi kuyakumbuka, but I know that I carry victory within me. Hajashindwa maishani mwako, hajashindwa maishani mwako. Ikiwa hajashindwa maishani mwako, come on, give Him a praise for the victory in your life. If you can do that with your tongue, give Him a praise for the victory upon your life. He has won the battles in my life. The sickness could not get a hold of me. The pain could not get a hold of me. The downfall could not get a pain. The anything did not get a hold of me. When it was meant to kill me, I came back and resurrected back to life. I carry victory within my life. My story carries victory because I carry the mighty man of war. Amenishindania vita vyangu. Kati ya magonjwa alinishindania, kati ya maadui alinishindania, kati ya vyote alinishindania. Mungu wangu,
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you.